Welcome back, students. In this session we will start session number 5, but before that we will complete session 4, self assessment. Okay, so let's begin with this. Which of the following key is used to cancel the selected drawing function? So for this, escape key is there. Okay, which of the following can't be used for to resizing the drawing object? So for this, what will the answer? For this, it will be both A and B, means resizing handles as well as positioning and sizing the dialog box. Number 3, dash refers to the alignment of text with respect to the objects around them, so it is called text wrapping. Okay, answer will be B, text wrapping. Number 4, which of the following text wrapping styles is the text placed above and the below image but not on the around, so it is called no wrap. Okay, now next question answers. Write down the steps to create a drawing object. So for this, we have to first select the drawing and then go to the drawing toolbar. From the drawing toolbar, we have to select the drawing and click on the mouse pointer will be changed, and after that move the crosshair pointer to the place in the document where you want to put the graphic, and it appear, and drag and draw the particular object. Second, how can you change the properties for the drawing objects? So for that, we have to select the object, then click on the drawing object property toolbar. From the toolbars, now click on the icon for each property and select the desired values for that property, so that this way we can change its property. Define text wrapping. Name various wrapping options. So text wrapping refers to the method of aligning the text with respect to the objects around them. There are different wrap text options are there, like page wrap text, optimal page wrap, wrap through, in backgrounds, in front of the text. See, these are the examples of the text wrap option. Give steps to wrap text around the drawing object. So for that, we have to select the object, then click on the format menu. From the format menu, click on the object, and from the object there are positioning and size option will be appear. From this, we have to click on the open the respective page in which we want to like a good crop that and whatever we want to do. Select the desired option to wrap the text around and click OK. Now number 5, it is long question is there, but the answer will be Nitya can use text wrapping feature to accomplish this task. Okay, so this is the all about session number 4 and its self-assessment options. Now we are going to start chapter assessment number 5. Okay, so for that we have to start the writer first. So we will click here on the writer and the writer will appear here. Now in this we will learn some working with the templates. Templates means what? Templates means predefined documents are there. In this we can change some necessary things and our work will be easy. Like if you right now till the date what we have learned, we have started the blank document and inside that we have work. Okay, but we have some predefined templates are there. Inside that many templates you can click on from the wizard. You can create some letters also. From here also you can click on template and you can click on the organize. Okay, you can organize any template on the particular this, and you can also apply this. If you want to change it, you can also change it. Okay, now but I want to start from the wizard, so inbuilt feature is there. So first we will start on click on the later. So when we click on the later, later wizard will be appear. Inside that 6 steps are there. Now first steps is we have to design our page. So which kind of page we want, like business letter we want to draw, formal personal letter we want to make, personal letter we want to make, what you want to make. For example, I want to make a personal letter, so click on that. Now inside that we have different options like bottle is there, mail, marine or red line is there. So we want to make a mail light, so click on that. Now then click on the next step. So second step 3 will be printed item. What things we want to print in English language. Okay, in solution option like hello is there, cheers will be there. Okay, next will be our how to type the where your template name, like my first template, my template. Okay, and then you can click on finish, so your blank template will be appear. But now I want to create a business template. Then how I can make the business template? Okay, so for that I have to press it escape, again go to the wizard, click on the later. From the later I will click on the first option, page design, and business letter will be there. Use the header letterhead, okay, with the paper. Now click on this. Now insert this inside this our logo will be appear, and logo size will be 4, height will be 4, and width will be 5. Return address will be also there, including the footer. Now click on the next. If you want to change anything, you can change it. So logo, return address, and letter sign is appeared. Now subject line also there, solution also there, full marks also there, and complementary clause also will be there. Now will be next. Inside the next, what to write here? So sender and recipient address will be there, so we'll type here there, and name the location. So where you want to type that. If you want to type a template name, then type here my template. Okay, and then it will be location is there where you want to save it. By default it will save in this template option. Now click on the finish. Yes, I want to upgrade it. So see here it is created, our define. You can, let's see 100%, then you can appear full page like this. Okay, now inside this first name, if you click here on, double click on that, you can type here first name like here. Okay, this will be the first name. If you click here, then it will be the last name will be appear, then click OK. So this way we can modify the entire page. So this is called the use of template creating from the wizard also. Okay, now next we are going to learn how to create the template using the template option. So again click here file, then we have option the template here. Now we can click here organize the template. Okay, if you click here organize the template, here my template option will be there. Inside that whatever templates you have made, it will be appear. Okay, if you want to create a document, you can click on the document. If you want to create a trim, then you can create the template. This is the background, and presentations are there, ready-made presentations are there for the Impress, or also we can say the PowerPoint. Okay, and now if you want to change the anything, you can import template from the outside the writer also. From if you download from the internet, you can import it. Okay, if you want to export and you want to send to anyone else, you can export these settings also. And if you want to set as a default, then click on the set as default and click on close. So your template become as usual that system has sent. Okay, so this way we can set. If you want to reset, then click on default reset also. If you want to edit the template also, you can edit like this we have done. Okay, so this is the use of template, predefined template, which is given in the Impress. Okay, and also we can import from here, or also you can use from the wizard also. Like if you want to create a document converter or a web page, so click on that, a window will be appear, then click on the next, default setting will be there. Okay, so click on next, type your document name or whatever you want to add from the outside it. So click on this, and any open office file is there, then open it inside this, and then you can click on the next. So this is the use of templates inside the writer. So this way we can create the templates. Now if you want to save it, go to the file and click on the save. It will display the appears, for example my template. Here this is the my template, and click on this. Okay, so it will be saved here. We can see here my template.odt. okay, it is saved inside that. Now if you want to open it, then also we can open it from the file. You can click on the open and click on the open, then whatever we have saved, just click on that and it will be appeared. Okay, so this way we can save and also we can close, right? So this is the use of template inside the writer. I hope you understood how to use the template and how to save it and how to open it. And till then, till the next session, thank you and bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share to your friends. Okay, thank you and bye.